About to eat these. So let's try them. We have to eat these. Let's try this. They smell like strawberry. Ooh, it looks kind of good.
Good.
It's alright. Time to taste the fries. I rate it about a 6 out of 10. It ain't bad, but it's kind of horrible.
Make sure they see your face and they see the what?
Alright, time to try some French fries. It smells like white cheddar, so like white cheddar. Cheetos. Let's try it. I'm gonna try another one.
Preview of this was that this really doesn't change the U.S. relationship with Russia. They compartmentalized this prisoner swap and still are going after them on all the same issues that we've been pursuing.
I rate that's better than the strawberry one, so I give it a 8 out of 10. Actually, 8 out of 5 because it's solid.